And there's nothing wrong with that. I'm just saying, they don't come from the culture of like, let's do something different, or let's innovate.
Yeah.
They're just like total consumer, right? It was just a total. I was eating some of these things. And so there's nothing wrong with that. It's just it's not a school in my eyes, anyways, because EV1 was EV propulsion before the EV1. Oh, I don't know. Maybe it was about the same. EV1 is the one that was done by
The Ford one, I mean the Chevy one.
Yeah, General Motors.
Well, I mean, I don't know a ton about the history, but I do know that I think the first electric cars came out when the Model T first came out.
Oh yeah, at the turn of the century.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is a really old technology.
But it was all based on DC motors and stuff. This is like new stuff, IC induction motors and stuff, right? So, I think that is what I consider,
The beginning
modern
of the
modern electric cars, lithium batteries, and
especially
lithium batteries with AC, brushless motors essentially.
Yeah.
That's the modern car. Tesla didn't make it, didn't invent it, didn't even pioneer it. There were other people that did it. They've done clever things. They pioneer in the fact that they were crazy enough to do it.
Yeah.
Right? And that's enough.
Well, yeah, because no one wanted to do it for how long?
No one wanted to do it.
20 years?
Well, the batteries have been around for a long time. The 1990, I think that's when the lithium ion battery, modern lithium ion battery, I think came into like commercial production.
But they were using it mostly for like what?
Laptops.
And stuff, yeah.
Laptops. This is the original laptop battery cell.
But that's the funny thing about what we were talking about before, which is like being able to innovate and seeing from one domain looking into the other domain. Is that sometimes you have people who say, no, look, those are laptop batteries. They're laptop batteries. That's all they can do.
Yeah.
And you're like, wait a minute, but it's energy. They're batteries. Like you can use batteries on other things. No, but these are laptop batteries. They're for laptops. And you're like, I know, but you can use them on these other things.
Yeah.
And for some people, it's so hard to make that transition. For some people, it's like, no, they're laptop batteries for laptops. And you're like, yeah, I know, but if you use it super easy, you see, no, it's just energy, storage in this container. And then you can, other things that use energy, you can then use it there.
Yeah.
No. And it's like, some people find it really hard to
make the jump.
To make the jump from one domain to the next.
It takes hacks like us. Like, see, I'm like always like, oh, these batteries, can we use them for this other thing? Oh, this computer, can we use it a different way? I never want to use it the way it was meant to. For some reason, I'm like, okay, that's boring. How do we use this in a different way?